Hello, my friends. Welcome to Easy English Hub. Here we learn simple English for real life. Slow, clear, and step by step. Are you ready? Let's learn together. I am so happy to see you today. I feel really excited because guess what? I'm going to fly on a plane for the first time. I'm going to visit my family in another city, and I can't wait to see them. This is a big moment for me, and I want to share it with you. So come along and let's learn English together. All about traveling and flying for the first time. Are you ready? Let's go! Tomorrow is a big day. I'm going to fly on a plane for the first time. My cousin invites me to visit her in another city, and my parents say yes. I feel so happy and excited. I have never been on a plane before. I wonder what it feels like going up into the sky, looking at the clouds and flying far away. Right now it's evening. I sit on my bed and smile. My suitcase is still empty, but my heart is full. I will start packing soon. I take my notebook and write, "First flight ever tomorrow." I draw a little airplane next to it. I feel a little nervous too, but that's okay. New things can feel scary, but they can also be amazing. I can't wait to go. I look at the clock. It's getting late. I need to rest because tomorrow will be a big adventure. I need to get ready for my trip, so today I start packing my bag. I open my small suitcase and think, what do I need? First, I fold my clothes, some t-shirts, pants, socks, and a warm jacket. I also pack my toothbrush, toothpaste, and hairbrush. Then I put in a book to read and my favorite headphones. I never travel without them. I check my list one more time. Clothes? Yes. Toothbrush? Yes. A small gift for my cousin? Yes. I also pack a small snack just in case I get hungry. Then I zip up my suitcase and smile. All done, I say. Next, I take my backpack. In it, I put my phone, charger, passport, ticket, and a little notebook. I always like to write when I travel. I feel proud. I packed everything by myself. Now I'm ready for the big day. This morning, I wake up early. It's still dark outside. I feel sleepy, but also excited. Today, I'm going to the airport. My dad helps me carry my suitcase to the front door. Ready? He asks. I nod and smile. We take a taxi to the airport. On the way, I look out the window. The streets are quiet. Some people are walking. Some are going to work. I hold my backpack on my lap and take a deep breath. My heart beats fast. I feel nervous, but in a good way. My dad talks to me in the car. He tells me what to expect at the airport. Check-in, security, and the gate. I listen carefully. I want to do everything right. After about 30 minutes, we arrive. I see big lights, tall glass doors, and many people. The airport looks huge. I smile. This is it, I say to myself. It's really happening. We arrive at the airport. It is very big, bigger than I imagined. There are so many people walking with suitcases. Some are talking, some are sitting, and some are looking at big screens on the wall. I hold my dad's hand and look around. There are many signs: check-in, security, restrooms, and gates. Everything feels new and a little confusing, but also exciting. I hear the sound of suitcases rolling and voices speaking different languages. A loudspeaker says something about a flight. I don't understand everything, but I try to listen. We find the check-in area. I take out my ticket and passport. My heart beats a little faster. This is really happening. I'm going to fly on a plane for the first time. I take a deep breath and smile. Let's do this, I say. We walk to the check-in counter. There is a short line, so we wait. I look around and see people with big suitcases and travel pillows. Some are flying for business. Some are on holiday. Some look tired. Others are smiling. I wonder where they are going. When it's my turn, I walk up to the desk. A lady in a blue uniform smiles and says, "Good morning." I smile back and say, "Good morning." I give her my passport and plane ticket. She types on her computer and looks at the screen. Then she prints something. "This is your boarding pass," she says kindly. "Your seat is 14A next to the window." "Thank you," I say. I take the paper and hold it carefully. My first boarding pass. Then I put my suitcase on the moving belt. It slowly rolls away behind a wall. I wave at it and say, "Bye, suitcase. See you soon." My dad laughs. "It's going to the plane too," he says. Now it's time for security. There are many people here too. I take a tray and put my backpack inside. I also take off my jacket, my shoes, and my phone. I feel a little nervous. I want to do everything right. My tray moves through a big machine. I walk through a gate. Beep. A sound goes off. My heart jumps a little. A security guard comes and smiles. "Do you have any liquids in your bag?" she asks. "Oh, I forgot," I say. "I have a water bottle." She opens my backpack and takes it out. "No problem," she says kindly. "You can't bring water, but everything else is okay." I say, "Sorry, this is my first flight." She smiles. "You're doing great." I feel proud. I made a mistake, but I stayed calm. I take my bag, put on my shoes, and follow my dad. We are one step closer to the airplane. After we pass security, we walk through a long hallway. There are many signs and numbers. I look at my boarding pass again. It says Gate 12. We follow the signs until we find it. Gate 12 is near a big window. I sit down and look outside. I see airplanes. Some are parking, some are moving, and some are taking off into the sky. I watch one go up slowly. "Wow," I whisper. "That will be me soon." There are many people waiting here. Some are reading books, some are using their phones. A little boy sleeps on his mother's lap. A girl next to me eats a sandwich. Everything feels calm, but I still feel a little nervous. I open my backpack and check again. Passport, boarding pass, phone, headphones, everything is there. I drink a little juice and look around. A loudspeaker calls other flights. Not mine yet. My dad says, "You're doing well. You're almost there." I nod and smile. "Thank you for coming with me," I say. I look at the clock. Just 20 more minutes. My heart beats faster. I'm ready and I'm brave. Passengers with children may board first. I sit up straight. That's my flight. My hands feel a little cold. My dad smiles at me. "It's time," he says. We walk to the boarding line. The airport staff checks my boarding pass and passport. "You're in seat 14A, she says. "Window seat. Enjoy your flight." I say thank you and walk down a long hallway called a jet bridge. My heart is beating fast. I step onto the plane. It's my first time inside an airplane. The lights are soft. The seats are in rows. A flight attendant stands near the door and says, "Welcome." I smile nervously and say, "Hello." I find my seat, 14A, right by the window. I sit down and look outside. The view is amazing. I can see the airport, the people, and other planes moving on the ground. I fasten my seatbelt like the sign says. A flight attendant checks and gives me a thumbs up. I take a deep breath. The plane starts to move slowly, then faster, then even faster. I hold the armrest tight. Suddenly, the plane goes up higher, higher into the sky. I feel a little pressure in my ears. I swallow, and it helps. I look outside the window. The ground looks small now. The cars look tiny. The clouds are close. I smile. I did it. I'm flying. The plane is now high in the sky. I look out the window and see white clouds all around. They look soft, like pillows. The sun shines through them. Everything feels quiet and calm. I sit back in my seat. I feel much better now. The takeoff was a little scary, but now it feels peaceful. I look at the seat in front of me. There's a small screen, but I don't use it. I just enjoy the view. A flight attendant walks down the aisle with a cart. She smiles and says, "Would you like something to drink?" "Yes, please," I say. "Apple juice." She gives me a small cup and a packet of crackers. I say thank you and take a sip. The juice is cold and sweet. It makes me feel good. I look around. Some people are reading. Some are watching movies. Some are sleeping with blankets over them. I open my backpack and take out my notebook. I write one sentence. I'm flying for the first time, and it's amazing. Then I put my head back, close my eyes, and listen to soft music. The plane moves gently through the sky. I feel calm, happy, and proud. After 1 hour in the air, the pilot speaks. "We are now preparing to land. Please fasten your seatbelt." I sit up and click my seatbelt. I look out the window again. The clouds are gone, and I can see the ground below. The buildings look small. The roads look like lines. The plane goes lower and lower. My ears feel funny again, but I remember to swallow, and it helps. I hold the armrest as the wheels touch the ground. Bump, bump. Then the plane slows down and stops. We land safely. I take a deep breath and smile. I did it, I whisper to myself. People stand up and get their bags. I wait for my row. When it's my turn, I walk out of the plane and into the airport. My legs feel a little wobbly, but I'm okay. At the arrival area, I see my cousin waiting. She waves and runs to hug me. "You flew all by yourself?" she says. "Yes," I laugh. "My first flight." We walk together to pick up my suitcase. It's there waiting for me. I feel so happy. Today I did something new. I was brave and I'm proud of myself. Thank you for coming with me on my very first flight. I felt excited, nervous, and proud, and I'm so happy I could share this moment with you. Flying for the first time can be a little scary, but also full of wonder. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new English words about travel in the airport. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more English stories. See you next time.